Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in into YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio is where you actually can manage your channel, and if you can't find it and can't log in into your YouTube Studio, you can't actually do anything with your channel. So the first thing that you need to do is to sign in into YouTube using Google account. So I will use my Google account right here. So now after you sign into your YouTube account, now you need to navigate to your YouTube Studio. So actually you can't find YouTube Studio if you don't have a channel yet. You need to create your own channel. After that you will find YouTube Studio. So you can find it right here after you click on your profile picture on the top right. You can click on it. And now from here YouTube Studio will actually be opened. Now you will see everything about your channel right here. So that's actually how you log into YouTube Studio. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.